Hello everyone. Are you know about this transistor? This video is made on all aspects of this transistor, which is called BD140 transistor. Such as how to check BD140 transistor on multimeter, how to find the pin configuration of this transistor, it may be PNP or NPN type transistor, how we know that it work or not, and I also provide a link of the basic projects using BD140 type transistor. Let's move towards the starting and find the answers of all these questions one by one. First of all, we draw a rough diagram of BD140 transistor. To solve these problems and questions in better way. Are you ready for first question? Which is how to find the pin configuration of BD140 transistor with the help of multimeter. To observe the correct reading, fit the transistor in the breadboard. And now, move the selector towards the diode mode. The most important point is that, for all type of transistor, base is common. So we must find out which one is common to the others pins. In simple words, that on which pin the multimeter shows reading with two other pins. As you see, the first pin from the right side is common to the others pins. It's clarify that base is the first pin from the right side. If we change the polarity, for right type transistor it show no reading. As you see, it show no reading when we change the polarity. If it show reading on both sides, it means that the transistor is burn out, such as this one. From the right side, the first one is base, the second is collector, and the third is emitter. Move to the next question, that the transistor is PNP or NPN type transistor, and how we justify it. If my answer is PNP, then next question is why we called it PNP type transistor. Keep in the mind that when transistor base pin show reading with other pins, while negative terminal of multimeter connect to it, it means that the transistor is PNP type. If you looking carefully in the video, it show reading when negative is connected to its base pin. Now move towards the next question, that how we find the collector and emitter of the transistor. Look at the general formula. As we know, base is common to both pins. The base collector reading is always less than base emitter reading. B stands for base, C stands for collector, and E stands for emitter. Sorry for mistake, I written 534 instead of 734. Look it carefully. The base collector reading is 734, while the base emitter reading is 735, as you see in the video. The pin which show greater reading with base is emitter. This difference in the reading of both pins determine the pin configuration of any type of transistor, that which one is collector and which one is emitter. Thanks for watching. Stay with us for more videos.